Welcome to Branch Electrical New Zealand's annual operation review. Today, I will be presenting you the sales performance for the period of April 2020 to September 2021. And also, I will demonstrate how to use this dashboard plus an example analysis. So let's get started. In this dashboard, it consists of 3 slicers and 4 charts. As you may notice, 2 of the charts at the left side are yearly, whereas 2 of the charts at the right side are monthly. This is because the logic behind is when you're having questions about why is a particular month showing like this, or like why is the percentage change are changing so dramatically. So we can look deeply to see, oh, this is the reason of that month. This is the sales transaction of that month. Or if you are curious about the net cash flow, you can go into the monthly transaction report to see what is the inflow or what is the outflow. Let me give you an example of, let's start from 2021 and go to April because it's the first peak that we can see. So when we're looking into the sales transaction of the month, we will see, oh, that is why we have a big sales to Air New Zealand. Awesome. Now, let's look at the yearly net cash flow. This can be changed by changing the account's name. For example, if we don't want electrical sales here, and we will see a different graph, which is, ooh, it means that most of the sales are generated by electric sales. So that's why we have a big inflow. But otherwise, you can see the inflow and outflow. And that's the presentation for today. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it.